Hello guys, today we are studying about the terminology of part 4. Terminology of part 4. Now, in the terminology of the first point is a myogenic heart. Myogenic heart. What is the myogenic heart? The heart in which cardiac impulse is a self-generated. Self means automatic generated. In the myogenic heart, there is a cardiac impulse is self-generated. We called it myogenic heart. Some mollusca and all vertebrates are the example of myogenic heart. Means in some mollusca and all vertebrates, myogenic heart are present. Okay. In the neurogenic heart, next point is a neurogenic heart. In the neurogenic heart, impulse of contraction brings about by nervous stimulants. Example, Annelida, Arthropoda are the example of neurogenic heart. But in this animal, Annelida and Arthropoda contain neurogenic heart. Okay. What is the heartbeat? Simple, rhythmic contraction, systole, and relaxation, diastole. We call it heartbeat. Contraction and relaxation of heart. Contraction and relaxation of heart. Okay, that is called as nothing but heartbeat. So what is the heartbeat? Rhythmic contraction means systole. Another name of contraction, systole, and another name is of relaxation, diastole. Okay. Heartbeat is a rhythmic contraction, systole, and relaxation of heart, diastole. We called it heartbeat. Next point is the stroke volume. What is the stroke volume? Volume of blood pumped by ventricles per heartbeat. Our per heartbeat, that is stroke volume, and it's about 70 ml per heartbeat. 70 ml per heartbeat. Okay. Next is cardiac output. Cardiac output, the volume of blood pumped by ventricles in each minute, in per minute, 1 minute, in each minute, that is the cardiac output, and we know that it is about 70 to 72 per minute. Okay. Next is what is the cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle means sequence of events which takes place during competition of one heartbeat or complication of one heartbeat. We called it the cardiac cycle. What is the cardiac cycle? Sequence of events which takes place during competition of one heartbeat. We call it cardiac cycle. Simple definition here. And it completes require 0.8 second. 0.8 second only. Now, cardiac cycle are inversely proportional to time. Inversely proportional to time and directly proportional to BP. What is the BP? Blood pressure. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. So what is the cardiac cycle? Sequence of events which takes place during completion of one heartbeat. We call it cardiac cycle. Simple definition, and it completes about 0.8 second and inversely proportional to time and directly proportional to the blood pressure. Thank you so much.